How to become a successful Forex trader in 2024. Here are my thoughts. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so when we think about Forex trading, a lot of traders want to get into Forex to make extra income. Okay, some of you guys are in it for the short term. Some of you guys are in it for the long term. Okay, and this applies to both traders at any side of the spectrum. Okay, if you really want to succeed as a Forex trader in 2024, you must have these things in place. One of them is definitely, I say this all the time, a trading plan. You have to have a trading plan that's going to help you stay on track with your business. Okay, another thing is you need to treat yourself as a business. I know many traders, they come into this game and they just look for buys and sells. They don't have any reason why they're getting into these buys or have any reason why they're getting into these sales. And then they get caught up in a range market and end up losing because they're not doing what their strategy is telling them to do. Okay, so you need to treat yourself like a business. All right, no businessman that I personally know of would just go out their way, make a gamble just to get themselves in profit in order to realize at the end that the choice that they made for their business was a very poor decision. You need to treat yourself as a business, so when it comes to you investing, all right, and treating yourself as an investor, that you're making good business decisions for your company. Okay, so when you have the mindset of making right decisions for your company, then when you win, you'll realize that this can actually be for the long haul in a good way. All right, this will keep your business to sustain it in such a way that I will continue to help it to grow. Okay, I also believe that we need to have good risk management in play. All right, I know there's traders also out there who don't have very good risk management. Maybe you're getting into trade and you're over leveraging. Maybe you're getting into the trade and your stop loss is way too big. And maybe you're getting into a trade and you're very afraid that you're going to lose because you realize the lot size that you put on it was not proper for your trade. So we need to make sure that we're taking the necessary precautions to know when we lose that we'll be okay with it. If we are okay with it, then for us, that would be proper risk management. Okay. The next thing is you need to have a proper trading strategy. Okay. I cannot stress this enough. You're psychologically, you could be all there, but I said this before in my last video that if you don't have a good edge in trading, you're simply not going to get anywhere, no matter how great you are at looking at the markets psychologically. Okay, I would say you need a trading plan that's going to fit your trading personality. You need a trading plan that's going to fit your schedule. You need a trading plan that's going to fit you as a trader overall. I see too many traders switching from trading strategy to trading strategy and end up losing in the long run because they don't have a consistent trading strategy. You need to understand that losses are a part of the game. Losses are going to come when it comes to trading. It's a part of the business structure, okay? But what keeps you going, what keeps your business growing, as I would say before, if you're using proper risk management and you have a consistent good strategy, those profits in the long term will keep your business growing. If you want to become a successful Forex trader in 2024, you're going to have to keep these things in mind. Nobody looks at their business for the long haul to just keep gambling on everyday matters. You as a trader cannot afford to gamble. You as a trader have to be disciplined. You have to have the mindset of an investor. If you don't have a mindset of an investor, you're going to lose, your business is going to crash, and then you're going to put yourself in unnecessary debt that's not going to make sense to you at the end, that you're going to have to wind up paying for later in the future. So it's really all up to you as a Forex trader if you want to become successful. Another thing is we need to stop strategy hopping, okay, or mentor hopping. I know a lot of traders keep mentor hopping because they're not satisfied in one mentor, or they're not seeing quick enough results in a mentor, and they just keep going and hopping when they haven't even stayed in the business long enough or in the group long enough to see if that trading strategy will work for them. I will personally say that if you aren't succeeding alone, to definitely get a mentor that's definitely going to take you to the next level. But I want you to get a mentor that's already successful. You don't need somebody who's just starting out of trading or really want to learn the ropes. No, you need somebody who's been there, done that. They don't necessarily have to be a full-time Forex trader. They could just be somebody who's consistently profitable and somebody who is making things work in their favor time and time again as a Forex trader. All right. Another thing I really want to stress is we need to quit with all this getting mad at mentors charging their clients. All right. So many people want everything free, right? They want free this, free that, free setups. Nothing comes free in life, okay? There's no way that you're going to tell somebody, especially in a business, to have them teach you everything for free and expect them to give all their time to you for free when they're taking out a lot of time out of their own day to give you this content, okay? You need to learn how to save up your money and to invest your money into somebody that you're going to trust in order for you to level up in Forex Trader. There should be no excuse why you are being lazy as a trader and you don't want to invest into somebody just because they're making money from them teaching you how to trade. Remember, guys, these are people who have made it. These are people who are successful. These are people who are making profits, okay? Now, then again, you have to do your own research because you shouldn't just be going to any mentor. You need to go to a mentor who have great credibility, okay? Somebody who is trustworthy, somebody who has been there, done it, somebody who you know that when you look at their strategy, when you look at their consistent, them being consistent and what they are doing, that you can say, you know what, this is great. Also, create a budget for yourself. If you think you can't pay $100 a month for mentorship, then look for somebody who can you can pay $50 a month for the mentorship. I believe that so many traders are losing out on the opportunities because they're not willing to invest. Okay. Now, I am personally soon to open up a group, a paid group that's going to teach you the ropes of Forex trading. And I believe for those who are taking it serious will actually buy this mentorship program. I'm going to make it affordable for you guys so that you guys aren't wasting your money on something that is not going to waste your time, okay? But I do believe wholeheartedly, if you really want to become a successful Forex trader, you're going to have to at some point invest into a mentor. If not me, somebody else, okay? I do right now currently have a free Discord group, so if you really want to take advantage of that and jump into that Discord group, that's on you guys. But I always tell traders, you will take it as seriously as you will take it, okay? Some of you guys are still here in the same loop because you are doing the same things over and over and over again. If you want to become a successful trader as a Forex trader in the year of 2024, you need to set your bad habits aside. So I'm going to move on to that as well. Some of you guys have bad habits, and this doesn't even have to deal with trading. It can be outside of trading. Some of you guys are in Forex trading for the wrong reasons, right? So I'm gonna give you an example. Some of you guys are just here to buy your little new Lambo, to buy some big old, gigantic SUV Mercedes, right? Some of you guys are just here to save up so much money so you can get a big mansion, a house. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I feel sorry for all those gurus who have lied to you, okay? I will say this to be very honest and truthful. If you are in this Forex game just for cars, houses, and just materialistic things, you are in it for the wrong reasons. And you will pay the price for being in Forex for just those wrong reasons. I hate the fact that people are only, I'm not getting on Forex gurus who are splurging on themselves because they made it, right, and showing up their car. I have no issues with that. But for gurus who say, here's my car, trade like me, here's my house, trade like me, are trapping you and are baiting you into paying them, when in reality, they're not going to really teach you how to trade. They're not teaching you life lessons, right? You need to be in this Forex game to invest into yourself as a business person so that you can fund what you want to do in life, okay? Can you splurge on a car? That's okay. Can you splurge on a house? That's okay. But I would say those things comes with bills, and things that comes with bills will demand more of your profits, more of your money, and more of your time. If you think that I am not serious about what I'm talking about, I'm telling you, there's so many people who really are not using their Forex money. They're just using their credit cards to buy these cars, to buy these houses, to make it look like they are some type of traders, to bait you into this is the way of being a Forex trader. It's not, guys. You want to take care of your family. If you want to be a family man, a family woman, for all my ladies as well. If you want to, fund your career. If you want to be at a place where you're stable in life and you're able to definitely fund what you want to do in life, that's why you need to be here, okay? Another thing that I want to say, oh, sorry guys, I'm just getting over this bug a little bit, but another thing that I really want to say is, in order for you to move on and to become profitable as a Forex trader, you need to just take yourself serious, okay? There's no reason why we are still where we are. If we've been trading for 5 or 6 years and we're still in the same loop, there's no reason why we should be in the same loop. But if you're growing as a Forex trader, I'm gonna encourage you to keep going, because there's gonna be a time where if you stay consistent, you're gonna become a Forex trader this year, okay? Or maybe even next year. I cannot stress enough of the fact that if you don't take yourself seriously as a Forex trader, you keep looking at all the glamorous things, but you're not looking at reality, you're going to fail and you're not going to become successful as a Forex trader. So those are my thoughts on how to become a successful Forex trader this year alone. You got to take yourself seriously. You got to have a trading plan, got to have a strategy, got to use risk management. You got to stop looking at all the flashy gurus, and you got to start looking at yourself and taking yourself seriously. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.